After a brief hiatus, we're back with new videos on 5 Minutes of Guidance channel. Today we wanted to cover a checklist of things to consider before the November implementation of DSCSA for health systems. As always, the insights shared here are my opinion only and should not be taken as regulatory advice. For actual compliance guidance, consult your legal counsel or regulatory representative. In today's video, we'll review important considerations ahead of the November 27th DSCSA milestone for large dispensers, including most health systems. The FDA phased implementation timeline means serialized data requirements were delayed for manufacturers until May 27th of 2025, wholesalers until August 27th of 2025, and large dispensers, including most health systems, until November 27th of 2025. As the wholesaler deadline has just passed, health systems should be thoroughly testing their systems and processes for handling DSCSA data. While much of the industry's focus has been on serialized data exchange, it's crucial to remember this is only one aspect of the regulation. Today we'll cover product exceptions, managing data exceptions, investigation procedures, resupplying first responders, and addressing emergent patient needs. Many products are excluded from DSCSA regulations, including OTC medications, medical gases, repackaged medications, samples, clinical trial medications, and all 503A and 503B compounded medications. By now, data feeds for manufacturers and wholesalers should be active, and your organization should be testing your systems and processes with DSCSA data. The regulatory requirements are more stringent for shipping organizations, which must verify that the data for every product shipped is transmitted to trading partners. Receiving organizations need only confirm that the data received matches the product shipped. This creates flexibility in defining your confirmation processes. Ensure your policies and procedures reflect whichever practice you adopt. If a product arrives without corresponding data, you must decide whether to immediately reject and return the shipment or quarantine the product and attempt to reconcile the missing data. If you're quarantining, note that the likelihood of resolving the issue drops significantly after 48 hours. And if this remains unresolved after 9 days, you must begin an investigation as to whether this product is potentially suspect or illegitimate. For investigations, you must verify the DSCSA data with the manufacturer, either through a verification routing platform, VRS, or manually. If you purchase through a third party, you may need to provide credentials to the manufacturer. The industry is currently adopting a standard for digital credentials to streamline this process. If you do find the product is deemed suspect or illegitimate, you need to report it to the FDA using Form 3911 through CDER's new online portal. You can still resupply first responders if you log DSCSA data for products being resupplied. However, reclaiming unused medications from first responders is now discouraged and should be discontinued. Sharing medications with other healthcare organizations for emergent patient needs remains acceptable, provided DSCSA data is logged for shared products. The previous borrow and loan process should be phased out in favor of direct billing to receiving organizations rather than attempting to return the product when there is no emergent need. Thanks for watching this video. We're planning to broaden the topics covered in this channel and feature a larger and diverse range of contributors. Don't forget to like and subscribe.